Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today I am back with very exciting haul video for you all, and this is gonna be a skincare and some sort of cosmetics which I'm gonna show it to you. And also, if you're seeing this face for the very first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. That would make a lot of difference for me. With that said, I'm gonna show you what all I shop. So let's just get started with today's video. So Amazon is running a huge discount, and do check out all the links will be down in the description box. So I wanted to restock some of my favorite products. They are currently on sale. So I recently got my hands on these. You guys know that Bath&body work are slightly expensive. So currently they are on sale. So do check out Amazon. So the first thing which I have is the body mist. This is Into the Night collection. Absolutely love the fragrance of this. I also have their shower gel, which is amazing. I really like it. So this smells divine, guys, and this is my second bottle. If you remember, in month of October I also purchased that time from Bath and Body Works. It's over, and I really wanted to restock this one. So currently this is on sale. I restocked upon this one. I didn't wanted to buy a body butter, so I picked up a body cream, which is Ultra Shea body cream, and this is from the range of Hibiscus Paradise. This has got cocoa, vanilla, coconut and hibiscus. This is extremely thick consistency. I really like the fragrance of this. If you are someone who likes those beach vibes, then I would highly recommend this one. This is what I got, and it is very thick, guys, and it actually absorbs in your hand very well. This actually smells so good, and it absorbs in your hand very well, and it is not at all sticky. So that is a yay. So this was something, a holiday collection, and I wanted to give it a try because they had this unique box which I can restore, having all my jewelries and everything. This is very sturdy, guys. In this box you get the same thing, body butter. You also get a spoon for your body scrub. This is a coffee sugar scrub. I absolutely love this polishing scrub. So with that I got this free sample pieces. This is their shampoo, coffee shampoo and coffee conditioner. This is how it looks. So the next product which I have is from the Earthrythm, and this is their lip cheek tint, and I always wanted to have this. This retail for 500 rupees, but the quality is really good because this was a highly recommended section. So I wanted to get my hands on. I don't know why I'm not able to open this. It's a very nice small cute bottle, travel friendly. This is the shade called Brandy. It has pomegranate extract and it has jojoba oil. Moving on, I picked up a couple of stuffs from the brand Belora Paris, and I have never used any of their products. So this is their kajal. I am wearing it right now, and I'm telling you, this is super creamy, very pigmented. Never thought for the price, it is so good. You get a rotator sort of a pencil, and it is jet black, guys. 29, and I'm wearing it right now. I absolutely love it. I got two of their hyped product, which is their Serum Superb Skin. Basically I'm going to use this for my makeup base. The reason why I got is because it has a rosehip oil and also pomegranate seed oil, which got my eyes on this. Very nice consistency of this product, and yeah, this is how it looks. Considering this winter, you need a lot of hydration, and you will have peeling of skin or even dullness. So I wanted to get a hydrating oil, which is Serum high hydrating oil. This is how it looks. Similar sort of packaging, and this has got AHA 2% in coconut oil as well as rosehip oil, and the bottle is to die for. And yeah, you again get a dropper. Very nice light formula. So I'm going to use all these things and let you know. And the last product which I got are these two lipstick by myGLAM. They were also on sale. So they both are matte liquid lipstick. I'm going to swatch both of them. The first one I have is a Micro Cheating. It is slightly like a brown shade. I don't know why I took this, but on screen it was looking something different, and here it is different, but I think it is a wearable shade. I like it. I don't know how it will look on my face. However, it's a very pretty brown shade. So I only picked up this shade just because it says I fly, because I'm an ex-cabin crew, something related to aviation, and I'm just out. So I got this shade and I'm wearing it right now. I have just topped it up with a lip gloss. However, the shade is super duper pretty. Can you just see this? This is a beautiful rustic nude or brownish shade. I really like this shade. This is something which is like, you know, it's always in my bag, and I think I will be using this shade more often. So that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this haul video. Do let me know if you want to see anything else from different brand or anything you want me to do a review on. I would be happy to do so. And I will be doing an in-depth review of each product, which is gonna go on my Instagram. Do follow me on my Insta, and all the links will be mentioned in the description box. And yeah, I shall see you in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye guys.